My name is Johnny Olding. Can everybody say hi, Johnny Olding? And we should sing a little bit about leadership and a lot of fun things like that. Wow, isn't that right? Yeah! Bring that comfort. Bring that comfort. To say it's my responsibility. To say it's my. And what that line means, if you know what is the right thing to do, but if you don't do it, well, it doesn't really matter, does it? So if you know what is the right thing to do, you gotta do it. I was wondering if maybe you could use care or caring in a sentence for us, and that would help us understand what it is.
Care about others.
Can encourage you to be brave enough to use all of your pillars of character all the time, even when your friends or classmates are not.
Really, when you're using all of these pillars of character, when you're trying to get along with other people, really, you need to be responsible, you need to be respectful, you need to be caring, you need to be fair, you need to be trustworthy, you need to be a good citizen, get along with other people, you need to do all these things at one time.
If someone teases you, you have a choice in how you're going to react.
Do you believe that? You can believe whatever you want.
Is it possible to act differently when someone is teasing you? You know, it's kind of cool being a go-to actually. People don't expect that much of you. You know, you can kind of have more fun.
You see, boys and girls, how you can turn a bully into a buddy.
Yeah, we love each other now. Don't give them emotional reaction. Don't give them reactions they want. We worked it out. Got rid of the little from better choices. We worked it out. Break it up and not have any more fun. All we needed were some good ideas on how to get along.
I can respect others, understand others, listen, and everybody counts.
You don't just try to respect, understand, and listen to your friends and your parents. You try to understand, respect, and listen to everybody.
Time, kid,
It is so great. We're going to create a reading explosion. The hidden message, ladies and gentlemen, readers practice. Readers rock. Readers experience more. Learn words, learn the world. Block by block, building up a pyramid to the top. Building up a pyramid, never stop.